Pinoy sa buong mundo. Lalong-lalo na sa larangan ng singing at dancing. Total performer talaga tayo mga Pinoy, Emma, di ba?
Kaya naman ngayong umaga, isang Filipino Global Pop Group ang magpapakita ng kanilang talento sa Kada Umaga stage. Nako po, talagang dumatagugdong kung mas malaki lang itong studio namin. Let's welcome the US Global Pop Group, HORI7ON! Kung gaano po kayo ka-excited. Anong...
First, let's go!
Woo! Come on!
Go, Marcos!
Ayun, diba? Nandito na sila lahat. Pero syempre gusto namin sila kausapin. Kaya puntahan muna natin kay Emma and Pia.
Yay! Naku, hindi na magkamayo mga tao dito sa studio. Isa talaga sila sa inaabangan na group ngayon. Pero before po tayo makipagkwentuhan sa kanila, alam natin, kilalang-kilala na sila eh. Pero syempre, for kilig factor ng mga fans, please introduce yourselves. Go right ahead.
Go. 하나, 둘, 셋! 안녕하세요! We are HORI7ON! Nice to meet you po.
Hello!
Hello muna tayo. Ayan.
Hi,
Para
guys.
mas makapagkwentuhan pa tayo. Nakakakilig nga, no? Makatabi.
Oo nga! How does it feel to have fans who are so loyal to you guys? Diba? Si Vinci, si Rayster, si Kyler, si Kim, si Marco, si Jeremy, at si Winston. Kompleto sila dito. Anong feeling ninyo na, grabe tong mga to! Super die hard! How does it feel, guys?
Ako po sobrang lucky namin kasi kahit saan po kami mapadpad, andun pa rin sila. Parang supportan kami.
Oo! Salamat!
Congratulate na rin natin sa kanilang successful concert last September.
Thank you po!
Grabe din, tsaka grabe na yung mga tour na ginawa nyo. Kakauwi nyo lang galing
Yes
South
po,
Korea,
South Korea,
di
yes
ba? And grabe din yung mga ginawa nyo, interviews doon.
What did you guys do? I know that you had some dancing and singing lessons, but aside from that,
We also promoted in Korean music shows. We're the first all-Filipino group to do that. So it's very nice to represent the Philippines. I hope everyone's feeling proud of us because we're really happy to be representing Philippines on the global
super!
And the
stage.
Philippines is so proud of you, the whole
Thank you so
Filipinos,
much.
di ba?
ano natutunan ninyo doon? How long were you guys in Korea? And aside from intensive dancing and singing
Training.
lessons, ano pang mga natutunan ninyo doon?
I think we learned many things naman when we were in Korea. Super, oh yeah, just Korean in general, like we learned how to read and speak Korean, and syempre, we also learned how to manage our time there, and we learned many things subconsciously throughout our tough journey there. So we're able to apply it until today and in the future. So we're super thankful that we got the opportunity to train in Korea.
Pagsasalita ng Korean, di ba?
Nagsasalita
Pero,
ng Korean.
Oo, kasi natutunan nila yon. Pero ang hirap din na mag-record ka ng kanta in Korean, di ba? Yun ba yung pinaka-challenging din sa inyo? Na-experience doon?
Yes, because yung dalawa po naming Maknays, yung pinakabata po, they have full Korean unit song na sila lang po talaga. And sila po siguro yung pinaka-nahirapan sa
Sino
Korean.
Sino yung mga other students sa Korean dito?
Si Marcus po.
Pero si Marcos sa pinakabata.
Yes po.
Wow! Galing!
Thank you po.
May Korean accent na yun.
Thank you
Yung
po.
English na. Thank you po.
Para annyeonghaseyo po.
Kasi nakita naman namin yung mga pinagdaanan din ng mga training ng, halimbawa ng Blackpink. Is it really as rigorous? Ganun ka ano
Yes,
talaga?
almost.
Kadetalyado? Talagang many repetitions of dance numbers?
12 hours po ng training of dance, vocals, and may rap din po.
Wow.
There's really lots
Oo.
of
So,
practices.
the last time you guys were here sa Kada Umaga, it was last March. So,
yes po.
napakadami ng pagbabago since then.
Ang bilis ng
Natandaan ko nga po, sabi po nila, sana bumalik pa kayo dito, and now we're here.
Thank you!
Thank you so much for having us
Hindi
again.
nyo kami nakalimutan.
Yes po.
Touch kami.
Thank you
Oo. Pero eto nga, gusto ko malaman because your fans are called anchors. So a while ago we were asking them, yung bang pagpapangalan ng mga grupo-grupo ng anchors, just like Army, just like Blinks, nanggagaling ba sa inyo or nanggagaling sa fans?
Sa fans po nang galing, sila po yung nag-vote for anchors. And, yun po.
Kaya gusto ko
Anchors
malaman sa
represent.
kanila, bakit anchors ang napiling?
Oh.
Can we ask
Baby
them? Sino bang pwede
Carls?
natin tanungin?
Ayan, ready
Question and
agad.
answer portion na Ryan. Hi Ryan, naka-on yan, huwag ka mag-alala.
Sige, okay.
Bakit nga ba anchors ang tawag?
Kasi they are the sailor. So parang as a sailor, parang laging ina-expect or laging pinagpipray is a very good horizon. And as a sailor, of course, we have the ship, diba? And us anchors, we protect them we protect them while they are sailing in achieving their dreams.
Yes, indeed.
I would just like to give a shout out to Rhea. Rhea is one of our co-anchors who submitted this.
Thank you.
Ikaw ba, Ryan, sinong pinaka-favorite mo sa kanila?
I'm actually handling a fan account of OT7, so every one of them. I love every single one of them equally.
Thank you. Thank you po.
Bakit, Ryan? Bakit gano'n na lang ang dedikasyon ninyo sa kanila?
Well, for me personally, this is the very first time that I am standing a group. And it's not just, idolizing them. We've already built a friendship. We've already built a family within the fandom. So, parang it's not just all about HORI7ON anymore. It's about our family in the Anchorville community.
Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Tia. Thank you.
Thank you po. Love you guys.
Ininervyos ka pa niya, Ryan, ha?
Love you, anchors.
Thank you, Anchor.
Diba? Ano masasabi niyo sa anchors, guys?
Well, kitang-kita po talaga yung dedication po nila. And ang swerte po namin kasi ang saya na makakita na nakabuo kami ng community na nagmamahalan at sinusuportahan talaga kami.
Yeah, you led to this family. You led to this friendship and community. Pero etong tanong, alam ko kapag grupo, meron mga do's and don'ts, di ba? Yung mga Blackpink members yata, bawal mag-boyfriend. Kayo ba meron mga ganong regulations?
May kinikilig na.
Meron mga ganong ano?
Bawal po mag-convenience store paggabi.
Bakit? At saka naka-diet ba kayo? Kasi parang kailangan ba fit na fit?
Oo.
Opo, kasi yung stamina din po namin while performing, kailangan po namin maprotektahan. Kasi one time dun sa Mexico, nag-perform po kami, super iba po yung hangin dun. And buti na lang may preparation po kami to withstand yung yung altitude.
Yung
kasi
altitude.
Yung stamina
manipis
po.
na kasi yung
doon,
yung
so,
air.
nakatulong po doon.
Wow. So bawal mag-convenience store kasi midnight snack.
Opo, mahilig po kasi sa jelly yung isa naming member.
Bawal mag-girlfriend, hindi nyo sinagot.
Wala, bawal po. Bawal po. Yung mga anchors.
Ang anchors daw ang girlfriend. Yun ang inyong love life.
Seloso ba kayo? Selosa
Selosa.
kayo eh.
Seryoso. Hindi pala seryoso, hindi selosa. Seryoso.
Okay.
Pero ito, pag-usapan naman natin yung album ninyong Friendship. Yun. Baka pwede nyo ipakita sa ating mga kada ito. Yan.
Friendship. This is our debut album. We promoted it in South Korea, and now that we're back in the Philippines, we're going to be promoting Friendship here. Yes.
Galing!
Meron itong mga alaman sa loob, di ba? Pwede ba natin
Yes. Meron pong mga photo cards, IDs, and posters. And there's 3 different versions. There's a school version, dreamy version, and a magic version.
And then ID.
Yes, ID.
Winston Ham.
Oh, may ID, guys.
Gusto mo yung ako na yung nauna? Sorry, anchors. Balitaan ko kayo. Ano naman?
Netizens, for more Kada Umaga updates, i-click lamang po ang subscribe button at i-follow ang Net25 social media pages on YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok at pati na rin ang Net25 TV.